Flinders House is an exceptional architectural achievement by Kennedy Nolan Architects, located in the picturesque coastal town of Flinders, Australia. This remarkable residence spans 543 square meters and was completed in 2022. The project brought together a team of talented professionals, including Derek Swalwell as the photographer, Gafkin as the builder, and structural engineers from McLeod Consulting and Web Consult. The collaboration also involved Amanda Oliver Gardens for landscape design, ensuring that every aspect of the project was thoughtfully executed. The house is situated on a dramatic cliffside location, offering breathtaking views of the surrounding landscape and ocean. While the site's beauty is undeniable, it posed unique challenges due to its instability. Originally, the location was home to a heavily modified Chancellor and Patrick house. However, structural issues rendered it unsafe, as the house risked sliding into the beach below. To address this, the architects made the bold decision to rebuild the home, preserving much of its original form and arrangement. This process required innovative solutions, including 15-meter deep piles to secure the foundation, ensuring the structure's safety and longevity. A new perpendicular extension was added to the reconstructed home, not only providing additional living space but also solving critical access issues for both vehicles and pedestrians. This extension seamlessly integrates with the original layout, respecting the site's constraints while enhancing its functionality. One of the primary goals of Flinders House was to achieve a harmonious balance between views, privacy, and domestic comfort. Designed to serve as a weekend retreat and summer getaway, the house also accommodates the possibility of becoming a permanent residence. Special attention was given to accessibility, ensuring that the home is suitable for wheelchair users and future aging residents, despite the steep gradients of the site. The connection between the house and its surrounding landscape is at the heart of its design. The garden, created in collaboration with Amanda Oliver Gardens, is designed to mature over time, enveloping the house in lush greenery. The guest house, positioned higher up the site, will eventually be concealed by vegetation, offering privacy while blending with the environment. On the seaside, regenerative dune plantings naturally merge with the structure's material palette, which includes weathered timber, Coldstream stone walls, and deeply recessed glazing. These materials not only echo the rugged beauty of the coastal landscape, but also ensure the architecture remains understated, allowing nature to take precedence. Flinders House offers an intentional and poetic spatial experience. The architects designed distinct paths for arrival, each creating a sense of deceleration and immersion. Guests and residents are invited to pause at various points along the journey, taking in the stunning surroundings. The transitions from winding pathways and framed gates to spaces that move from darkness to light enhance the relationship between the built environment and the natural setting. Inside, the concept of chiaroscuro is artfully employed, with contrasts between bright, open spaces and dim, introspective areas. This balance creates an atmosphere that is both dynamic and serene. Ocean views are a key feature, but they are carefully balanced by the design of lush, street-facing courtyards. To the south, the courtyard is densely planted, while the north-facing courtyard is a protected sun trap, offering comfort regardless of weather conditions. Flinders House is designed with sustainability and energy efficiency in mind, ensuring a comfortable living environment throughout the year. Its layout accommodates gatherings of family and friends, providing multiple spaces for relaxation and socialization. The careful placement of rooms and outdoor areas ensures that the home adapts to changing sunlight and wind conditions, enhancing its livability. Flinders House is a masterful example of how architecture can respond thoughtfully to its environment while addressing complex functional and aesthetic needs. The integration of innovative design, sustainable practices, and a deep respect for the natural landscape results in a home that is as inspiring as it is practical. This house offers a wealth of ideas and inspiration for anyone seeking to create a residence that harmonizes with its surroundings while meeting the demands of modern living.